Here's how to clone any website from the internet to your local storage. Recently, I came across melonmobile.co.za, and this website is absolutely beautiful. It is built with Webflow and everything about it is perfect. The color selection and branding are on point, the layout, the subtle pop-up animations as you scroll, the hover animations of each button all come together to create this beautiful synthesis of HTML and CSS that I could look at all day. I know I could just open Webflow and try to recreate this, but I'd like to learn how to code this myself. So today, I'm going to show you how to download the source code of any website from the internet. That way, you can pop that source code into Visual Studio Code and study it, learning how to build it yourself. Ready? Let's get started. I would like to thank our channel members and Patreons for making this video possible. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now, cloning a website online is easy. I'm going to show you 3 methods of copying the source code of any website, each with different technical requirements. For our first method, you don't need any specialized tools, just a browser. I use Firefox or Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. First, take the link of the website you want to copy and paste it into your browser. I will be using Melon Mobile. Once on the page, right-click on the screen and select Inspect. This will show you all the HTML and CSS code for that website. From here, you can launch VS Code and create an index.html file and styles.css file. Then, copy the code from the HTML and CSS files into these local files. This works and is simple to do, but all the images will need to be downloaded manually. But our second method is fully automatic. It will download everything for you. To do it, first make sure you have the URL of the main page of the website you want to clone. Then go to Save Web to Zip and paste the website URL into the input field. Then click on Save. This will fetch all the code for the main page as well as all the assets like images and graphics and save them into a zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, all you need to do is extract it. Then drag that folder into Visual Studio Code. While on the index.html file, click on Go Live to open the website on localhost. You can go back to Visual Studio Code and play with the code to change things and analyze it to see how the website is built. This method works well for simple websites, but if you want to clone a website built with React.js or any other framework where you don't just want the CSS and HTML, but also the JavaScript files and all the Node modules and Webpack files used on the website, then this last method is what you should use. First, open Chrome and go to the Extensions tab. Then click on the Chrome Web Store. Search for and install an extension called Save All Resources. Once this is downloaded, restart Chrome. Then go back to the website you want to copy. Right-click on the screen and click on Inspect. Then switch to the Resource Saver tab at the top here. This will take you to this interface where you can add more URLs if you want, but I'll keep the default and click on Save. This will download all the code for the website, including the Webpack files, all the JavaScript files, icons, all React code, etc. Once it is done, it will give you a zip which you can extract and put into Visual Studio Code. This video is for educational purposes only. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell. And tell me where you are watching this video from in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.